In this video, we're going to learn how to reopen a closed tab. So stick around, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to open a closed tab. So if you are like me, I always have a lot of tabs open, as you can see at the top of my screen. Sometimes I accidentally close those tabs, and sometimes I close them and then I realize I still need them. So we're going to take a look at the shortcut to reopen that closed tab. So let's say you were working in Google Classroom and you accidentally closed out of the tab. Now, if you right click on the plus sign at the top of your screen, you can see the shortcut keys to reopen a closed tab along with some other shortcut keys. So as you can see, the shortcut key or keys are Ctrl, Shift, and T. So if I press Ctrl, Shift, and T on my keyboard, it's going to open up Google Classroom, which is the last tab that I had open. Now this has saved me a lot of time, and hopefully it's going to save you a lot of time. And again, the shortcut key to reopen a closed tab is Ctrl, Shift, T. I hope this tutorial helped. Thanks for watching. If you want to be a part of the iTech on-demand community, support the channel so that you are notified every time I release an educational technology video tutorial. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.